This is a remote control circuit that allows you to control DC motors without needing an electronic speed control module, ESC. It has a total of 4 channels. It can simultaneously control a servo, 2 DC motors, and a relay. You can control model vehicles with this RC circuit. It has a servo channel for left-right steering and a built-in DC motor driver for forward and backward maneuvers. It can also control any relay to turn lighting systems on and off. In my initial PCB design, I encountered problems due to the narrow pin spacing. To correct this, I updated the design, and I opted to use 0-ohm resistors, also known as jumper or bridge resistors, for the necessary traces. A 0-ohm resistor essentially acts as a simple bridge, and a short wire can serve the same function. Do you need professional PCBs for your electronic circuits? JLC PCB offers fast and affordable PCB manufacturing solutions for electronics engineers to develop their projects efficiently. You can easily upload your project files, define specifications, and place orders. All your orders are prepared quickly and delivered to you safely. With JLC PCB's 6-layer boards, you can dedicate much more time to developing the project itself instead of struggling with routing limitations. JLC PCB makes 6-layer PCBs truly affordable. Professional quality PCBs without the professional price tag make professional-level multi-layer design accessible for makers and small teams. You need to upload the transmitter code to the Arduino Nano and the receiver code to the Arduino Pro Micro. I've included a link to the code files and details below the video. Brushed motors produce electrical noise. This can cause the circuit to behave erratically, as is the case now. Small ceramic capacitors will help filter this noise. Let's solder the capacitors now. Then, try again. One of them should be soldered between the two poles of the motor. The other two smaller ones should be placed between the terminals and the motor housing.